Is an alien invasion. Take me to your leader.
What? Leader of gas?
No, not leader of gas. Your leader.
Oh, my leader. Leader, let's get here for you. Come over here, man. This is Alita.
What is that?
It's Alita.
It's not a real person.
Yes, it is. His name's Tim.
It says drawn by Ryan on the bottom.
But he gives really good advice.
What did you say?
But he gives really good advice.
Okay. Do not say anything if I can have your planet.
No.
What? Did you just talk? Oh, okay. See you later then.
My name is S.O. Timo.
Dude, I'm not Spanish.
Oh, okay.
Unless you give it to me, I'm gonna blow it up.
Go ahead, I don't care about it anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
And no, I'm not bluffing.